Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block someone on Messenger. Now let's begin. Do make sure that you have the Messenger application installed on your device. In case you have not, do install it right now. I'm simply gonna open the Messenger app from right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now right here are my friends Greg and Tom, and I want to block my friend Tom right here. There are two options of blocking him. Well, the first option is I simply hold on his chat icon right here, and something like this will pop up simultaneously. At the very bottom, you will find the block button as well. Do note that you can also restrict him, mute him as well. And the other option is I simply click on his profile without holding on it, and I enter it right here. At the top right here is the info button right here, simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. Simply scroll down, and right here, you will see those options once again. You can either block him or restrict him, it's completely up to you. Now since I want to block him, I'm gonna click on block, and right here it's gonna ask for my confirmation. I really want to block him, so I'm gonna click on block Tom Hawkins. Well guys, that's it. That's how you block someone on Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.